Exam focus, understanding the requirement in the question, because a lot of time one question will have multiple requirements. Okay. So 1, 2, and 3. There would be 3 requirements. So there are two lines of this is requirement number A, requirement number B, requirement number C. Requirement A has 9 marks, and actually this itself has the requirements. He asked you 3 things. For example, he asks you to discuss, calculate, and explain. I don't know. So it is total 9 marks. This is for 3 marks. This is for 3 marks. This is for 3 marks. You read it and understood this one. You read it and understood this one. And this one you totally ignored. You thought that there are only 2 things which he is asking. So you responded to 3 things. You got 2 marks out of 3 in this one. Then you got 2 marks out of 3 in the second one, which is reasonably good. If you get 2 marks out of 3, it is fair enough. So your total marks are 4. The third one you skipped. The third one was also for 3 marks. You did not even touch it. So this is 4 marks out of 9, which is not 50%. So you fail. So you did very good job here. You did very good job here, but you fail ultimately because you got 4 out of 9, which is not even 50%. So it's 40%. 4 out of 9 is, something less than 40% actually. Understand? Because you did not pay attention to the question. So pay attention to the question and understand the requirement. If there are 3 things he's asking, please respond to all those 3 things. Application and impact on the financial statements. Every accounting scenario which they give, it will have the impact on income statement and the balance sheet. So you have to calculate and you have to explain that what goes to profit and loss, what goes to the statement of financial position, and so on. Writing skills are very important. Drafting skills. This is not something which I can explain here, but I have several videos on your portal, and you can also learn it when you see me doing questions and I explain how to draft it, how to begin it, and how to end it. Okay. So writing skills are important because exam is almost like 25% or 30% is the writing thing. It's not difficult. Writing skills are I'm not saying that you have to write down some English essays, but the way it has to be explained professionally, that is mentioned in, or that is given in many of my question videos. Time management, I already have explained to you that you need to manage time. This is one big challenge faced by students. Most of the students, I would say, with all my knowledge from over 20 years and seeing thousands of students, I can say that probably 10% people say that they finished the paper. 90% do not finish. Why do they not finish? Either they don't know the knowledge, they don't know the question itself. So a topic comes which they do not know, or they don't have time. These are the 2 things. Students, they come, question number 4, I knew what it was, I could have done, but I didn't have time. Or maybe some people come in and they say that I could not do question number 4 or maybe question number 2 because I didn't know that standard or that thing. But 90% of people, they are unable to finish. They are going something like 80% of the exam. Somebody is doing 85% of the exam. Somebody even is doing 75%, even less of the exam. And by the way, it is not only about to do all of that. It is very important to do correct. I remember there was one student. He actually was working in a bank. And in banks, the accounting departments do not have very he was in branch accounting actually mostly. So IFRS was not really there, but he was very motivated. I remember it is 2011 or 12, if I'm not mistaken. He came up and he said to me that, I attempted only 62 or 63% of the exam and he passed. Only by attempting. So he got 50 marks out of something 62 or 65, whatever. But he passed. But sometimes people, they come in and they say, I attempted 80% of the exam and they fail because whatever they wrote was not correct. So it's important to write maximum and complete all, but it is also important to, answer correctly.